Taking the cruise control out, I basically just pulled this back, took trusty rusty flathead Craftsman, and I used one hand to kind of hold this, and then I pushed up on it. It's kind of hard to see, but I pushed up on it right there. Now I'm going to tie a shoestring to it up here and pull it through, so that way I can just pull the new one through with this string. So now the old one is pulled out. The string is still down there. I'm going to tie this string to the new module, or the new control, whatever the hell it's called. So after I wiggled it through the handlebar, I pull it down, got it here. Now she's clean. You can see the hole pretty nicely. If I tap focus, there it is. That's where she goes. So looks like this side with the button goes in that way. Try to get it on video. And you hear that little click. That's how you know it's in there. And then I'm going to take some zip ties. And then I'm going to basically take that extra 2 feet and wrap it up. So I took 2 zip ties, I folded it over, zip tied here, and then I used one more zip tie to be put in the middle to hold it to the clutch cable. So looks pretty solid. It's not going anywhere. I might do another one down here just to give it another point. But anyway, I'm gonna work on getting this thing shoved back in there, and we'll see how that goes.